Okay, kitty, you gotta clean the bathroom for me.
$100? Oh, never mind. A pineapple. This is the SpongeBob house.
Wow. Neighbor, I gotta say, this garden is pretty sad. And you don't have cheese balls. Gonna cry?
I graduated today.
No way! Glasses? I don't even wear glasses, but they sure do look neato.
Oh, hey neighbor, is that your pumpkin? Well, not anymore. His new name is Bumpkin. Bumpkin the Pumpkin.
Hey, sorry about your cat. I made you this song, so hopefully it cheers you up.
Meow, 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 meow.
It's Olivia the pig. Oh, look at... What? She trusted you. And you just squished her like she was nothing. Is that what she meant to you? Nothing? Olivia meant nothing to you?